The Abbate-Ferrari F1 Antares II emerged in 1954 as a remarkable fusion of Italian automotive excellence and marine craftsmanship. Built by the renowned Guido Abbate shipyard on Lake Como near Milan, this unique racing hydroplane represented a pinnacle of engineering achievement during the golden age of powerboat racing. The vessel featured a sophisticated wooden framework with a hydrofoil hull crafted from marine plywood and finished with polished mahogany veneer. This construction method ensured both structural integrity and aesthetic appeal while maintaining optimal performance characteristics on the water. The heart of the Antares II was its exceptional Ferrari Motoscafo Tipo 700 engine. This 2.8-liter four-cylinder power plant, derived from the Ferrari Monza 750 racing cars, produced an impressive 223 horsepower. The engine later underwent modifications, and the boat was eventually restored with a 2.5-liter Ferrari 553 Formula 1 engine, making it the only surviving Abbate construction equipped with this specific Ferrari racing power unit. Swiss-Italian racer Augusto Shapira commissioned the boat for the 1954 racing season, competing in the 2.8-liter class. Under his ownership, the Antares II participated in both the 1954 and 1955 Italian championships. The vessel achieved its most notable success in 1954, securing third place in the European Championship, cementing its place in motorsport history. Through the decades, the Antares II passed through various owners, each contributing to its preservation. The boat's significance in both maritime and automotive history became increasingly recognized, leading to its showcase at prestigious events. In 2014, it appeared at the Paris Retromobile exhibition, where it garnered significant attention from collectors and enthusiasts. Market valuations have placed the boat's worth between 400,000 and 500,000 euros, reflecting its historical importance and unique status. The Abbate-Ferrari F1 Antares II stands as a testament to the ingenuity of 1950s racing design and the enduring appeal of Ferrari-powered vessels. Its preservation ensures that future generations can appreciate this unique chapter in motorsport history, where automotive excellence met maritime racing innovation.